Namaste ji. I am Anil Kala, and I welcome you to our brand new program, Yoga and Nature Season 2. I remember we did Season 1 in the Rishikesh, Yoga capital of Rishikesh, and Season 2 we are doing in the land called Scotland of India, Coorg, right? I am sure, 100% sure that you are going to enjoy this program. And because you have given so much love to our Yoga and Nature Season 1, hence we thought of bringing you this program. This program, we have not too many sessions, but the sessions that we have is they are longer than what we had in Rishikesh. So we will be continuing with the challenges towards the end of the practice. You'll get to know more about the practice, the sessions. We will be adding few more pranayamas, few more techniques. Some sessions will be more challenging than what we had in Rishikesh. Some sessions are going to be a little easier one. We have session for relaxing also. A lot of things are going to be there. So you stick with me throughout the sessions, throughout the series. We'll get started now. We'll sit comfortably in a cross-legged position as usual, right? Okay, I'm guessing you're already there. So we be seated comfortably, spine long, keeping palms on the knees and Chinna Mudra, shoulders relaxed, facial muscles calm, relaxed, and a very gentle smile throughout the practice on that face. Right? So we start with keeping our eyes closed. Natural, gradual breathing here. Preparing ourselves for today's abhyasa. Preparing physically. Preparing mentally, emotionally. Focusing on the breath throughout the practice. With that, we can join hands to chest. We will start with 3 Omkaras. Breathing in deep. Breathing in. Last. Very good. Draw palms, generating some heat. Covering the eyes, covering the face, open the eyes, look into the palms, relax. Good job. Okay, I've spoken so much about Yoga and Nature Season 2, but if you are new to us, if you are new to this program, if you haven't done Yoga and Nature Season 1, absolutely okay. It's not like any web series or a movie it's not like any movie that you must have to watch the Season 1 and then only you can do Season 2, right? This is yoga. We're just practicing yoga. We give our best for the beginners. You try your best and you try not to kill yourself, right? We're taking it easy. Okay, so the first warm-up, as usual, we start with warm-up. First warm-up for today's practice we have is from ADHO Mukha to Ashtanga Namaskara to Bhujanga back to ADHO Mukha. Let me demonstrate that for you quickly. So from here we go down, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, chest up. Exhale, hips higher. Inhale here, again drop knees, chest, chin, and we do that 5 times. Okay, join me here. Come to ADHO Mukha. Okay, inhale there. Exhale, drop knees, chest, chin down. Inhale to Bhujanga. Exhale to Parvata. 2. Inhale there. Exhale, knees, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, hips higher. 3. 4. 5. Good. Knees, chest, chin. Inhale, Bhujanga. Exhale, hips higher. With small steps, we walk forward, walk forward, walk forward, walk forward. Come to front. Come back up now. Good job. Shake legs, shake hands. Good job. Next we do from here, standing position to DRUTA UTKATA, and we do that quickly 10 times. Just see how. Inhale, hands up. Exhale, fully go down. Inhale, up. Release. Again, exhale and down. Inhale and up. Those who have knee issues, they'll take it slow. They'll take it easy. How? This. Little down. Slow. Not going too low. Okay, let's start. Inhale, raise arms up. Exhale, go down. Fully. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. Good job. Okay, release. Shake hands, shake legs again. Next we will start with Ashtanga Surya Namaskara B, and we are doing 5 rounds of that. Those who have never practiced Surya Namaskara B before, you can watch first round. Let me do it for you. Understand the alignment, understand the breathing, and continue from the second round. Rest of us, join me here. Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Triani, head up. Chatwari, step back. Pancha, Shat, lift hips. Sapta, we bring right leg front. Virabhadrasana, bend. Lower the hips, raise arms up. Ashta, palms down. Again, Chaturanga, beginners, knees down. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dashaha, hips higher. Adho Mukha. Ekadashaha, left leg. Raise arms, raise arms, raise arms. Good. Dvadashaha, Chaturanga. Triyodashaha, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdashaha, Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look to the front. Step forward. Ardha Uttana, head halfway up. Uttanasana, head fully down. Saptadashaha, bend the knees. Samastitihi. Good job. Second round. Those who are watching, observing, continue from this round now. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Triyani, head up. Chatwari, go back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, right leg, arms reaching up. Ashta, Nava, Dashaha, Ekadashaha. Bring left leg front, raise arms, lower the hips. Good. Dvadashaha, Triyodashaha, Chaturdashaha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look to the front. Step forward. Ardha Uttana. Shodashaha, Uttanasana. Saptadashaha, bend the knees, raise the arms. Samastitihi. Just 3 more rounds to go. Let's continue. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Triyani, inhale. Chatwari, go back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, hips higher. Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dashaha, Ekadashaha, left leg. Dvadashaha, Triyodashaha, Chaturdashaha. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look to the front, step forward or jump forward, head up. Shodashaha, head fully down, press palms. Saptadashaha, inhale. Samastitihi. Good job. And 2 more to go. Let's continue. Beginners, if you want to take rest, please feel free to take rest. Don't force. Let's continue. Ekam, inhale, rest of us. Dve, exhale. Triyani, head up. Chatwari, step or jump back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dashaha, Ekadashaha, Dvadashaha, Triyodashaha, Chaturdashaha. One, exhale out long with the sound. 2, 3, 4, 5. Look to the front. Panchadashaha, inhale. Shodashaha, exhale. Saptadashaha, inhale. Samastitihi. Good job. Just one last round. All of us, all together, finish this, then we'll take rest. Ekam, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trani, inhale. Chatwari, go back. Pancha, inhale. Shat, exhale. Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dashaha, Ekadashaha, Dvadashaha, Triyodashaha, Chaturdashaha. Hips higher. Hold it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look to the front. Step or jump. Panchadashaha, Shodashaha, Saptadashaha, Samastitihi. Nicely done. Okay. Taking a moment here. I want you to relax the hands. Keep the eyes closed. Observing the changes, physical, mental, emotional. Okay, you can open the eyes. All right, we'll move to the asana practice now. See, yoga and nature, why we loved the season 1 and why we're here for the season 2 is, one, personally, I am very connected to nature, and I love practicing when I am surrounded with nature. I hope you can also, feel it if you have ever practiced outdoor session, especially surrounded by nature. If not, you must give it a try. So we'll move to the asana practice. I will demonstrate the first one. What you can do is wipe the sweat if it's needed, have a sip of water if it's needed. Meanwhile, keep watching there. So first we are doing UTKATA, very easy to understand, but a bit of variation there. How? So we bend the knees, lower the hips. Okay, take hands behind the back, interlock the fingers, roll shoulders back, lifting chest up, and then you lift right leg front, extend the right leg forward, foot off the mat. Continue keeping left leg as it is, arm extended back. If you can't extend the hands back, keep palms on the waist. Bend the knees. Just extend one leg front. Take a moment. Same we do on the other side. Okay, so 10 breaths one side we're holding, 10 breaths the other side we're holding. Let's give it a try. Those who have knee issues, not going to extend the leg front. Instead, just bend both the knees, equal weight on both the feet. Palms on the waist. Let's start with bending the knees. Take hands behind, roll shoulders back, open the chest. Extend right leg front, find the balance there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The strength-based practice today. 6, good. 7, good. 8, 9, 10. Release the hands. Take a moment to shake hands, shake legs, and then same we do on the other side as well. Bend the knees. Take hands behind or keep palms on waist, beginners. Extend left leg front, stay there. 1, breathing in, breathing out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release hands, shake legs, shake hands. Take a moment. Next one is also for strengthening the lower body, but with a twist, right? You just be here in Vajrasana. Let me demonstrate the asana for you first, then we can practice that together. So from Adho Mukha, say we take one leg front, keep the back knee up off the mat, lunge position. Yes, beginners, I want you to keep opposite hand down. The knee that you're bringing forward, same hand you're lifting up, twisting there in lunge, hold there, right? Those who can, what they will do is interlock the fingers behind and then do the same movement. So I'm keeping my elbow down opposite, the same hand goes up and then behind. Focus on a deeper twist, hold there for 10 breaths, release that, go back to Adho Mukha, same you do on the other side as well. 10 breaths, 10 breaths. Then we take a moment in Shashankasana. Beginners, not hands here, just extend both the arms. Okay, join me then, working on that lower body strength, right? Okay, let's start with right leg bringing front. Good job. Left palm down inside, lock that back knee, not bending. Beginners, just lift that right hand sideways up. Regular practitioners, elbow down, both the hands behind the head, twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, good. 7, almost there now. 8, good. Breathe. Stay. 8, good. 9, 10. Okay, palms down. Go back to Adho Mukha. Left leg front. Keeping right palm down, beginners. Twist. Lift up. Hold there. 1, breathe. 2, regular practitioners, hands behind head, elbow down. 3, twist more. 4, 5, 6, good, 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 good. 7, 8, almost there. 9, twist more. 10, beautiful. Left palm also down. Go back to Adho Mukha. Drop the knees. Take a moment in. Shashankasana, which is this. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing there. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing there. Nicely done. Okay, coming back up. Moving to the next. So the next that we are practicing is single leg dolphin. We can hold just 5 breaths each side, and then we will release, come back to Vajrasana position. Right? I'll quickly demonstrate that. So we come to this Adho Mukha. From here, I'm keeping the elbows down, not the head. Push head, chest in. Walk left foot more forward. Lift this right leg up high. Hold 5 breaths there. Drop right down. Lift left up. Kick it up as high as possible. 5 plus 5 breaths we hold. Both the sides. Okay. If you have any shoulder issues, continue with just holding here only and not forcing. That's it, here. As much as the body allows, beginners. Okay. Join me in Adho Mukha. Come to Adho Mukha Svanasana. Okay. Drop elbows down. Push head more in. Lift right leg up high. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release this. Left leg higher. Hold there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Drop the knees. Again we take a moment in Shashankasana. Release there. Take a moment. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing there. Okay, come back up. Alright, it's getting sweaty now. You be here in Vajra. I will demonstrate the next one. Very simple. We come to cat and cow position, which is palms right under the shoulders, knees right under the hips. From here what we do is, I'm lifting this one knee from the side up. The opposite hand from sideways up we lift. If you see from the front view, this. So we lift, say, one knee sideways up, or extend this leg fully out, or along with that hand as well. If not hand, beginners only lift knee sideways up, hold there for 5 breaths, hold on the other side for 5 breaths only. Okay, come here, drop the knees, drop palms. Okay, we will start with right knee opening to the side, left hand opening to the side along with the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Release, strengthening the hip joints. Change. The other side, sideways up. Right hand sideways up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Open the knees. Take a moment again in Shashankasana. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Okay, you come back up to Vajrasana. Okay, that was about the lower body part, the shoulders, that we were working on strengthening them. Now it comes the back, right? So for that we will lie down on our chest. Viparita Naukasana we're doing, which is now lifting both the legs and both the hands up. You quickly see once. With inhale we lift higher, hold here for 10 breaths, release, come back again, take a quick moment in Shashankasana. Okay, absolutely great for the people who face the issue of lower back, right? All we need is to strengthen that back. Lie down on the chest. All right. Okay, I want you to extend both the arms front, extend both the legs back, and lift higher. Inhale. 1, as high as possible. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release. Okay, instead of Shashanka, you just be here. Take a moment there. Cheek down or forehead down. Breathing in, breathing out, relaxing there. From here only we can turn around and lie down on the back then. On the back what we do is Setu Bandha, next asana. We bend the knees, single leg Setu Bandha, lifting one leg up. Okay. Alright, we turn around, lie down on the back. Good job. Okay, bending the knees, you can see once. Press the palms, lift hips higher. Beginners can hold here, regular practitioners, leg up. Hold here for 10 breaths. Drop, release, hugging the knees to chest. Again, bend, lift. Same on the left side as well. Beginners can try lifting leg up. If that doesn't happen, it's okay. Right? You just work on lifting hips, being on both the legs. Right? Not lifting one up. Bend the knees, place palms down on the mat next to hips. Press palms down and lift hips higher, higher, higher. Hold there now. Leg up, regular practitioners. 1, breathe. 2, keep lifting more higher. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Strong legs, strong hips, strong back. 10. Really slowly hug the knees to chest. Take a moment here, relaxing there, breathing in, breathing out, relaxing there. Relaxing there. Okay, again, feet down, press palms down, lift hips higher, higher, higher. Beginners can hold. Regular practitioners, left leg up. Push and lift more higher. 1, 2, 3. Stay and breathe. 4, 5, 6. Continue to hold more higher. 7, 8, 9, 10. Really slowly. Again, hugging the knees to chest then. Breathing in, breathing out, taking a moment. Breathing in, breathing out, taking a moment. Good job. We're almost there. We're almost done with our asana practice. We have just one more. Matsyasana. So for Matsyasana, we extend legs out there and then stretch toes, place palms under hips or on the mat itself, and then lifting chest up, roll head back, lift more higher, stay there and breathe. 10 breaths we hold there, then lift head up, release shoulders first, then release the head. Go ahead now. Okay. Stretch legs out, palms under the hips, lift head up, lift chest more higher, roll head back, stay there and breathe. 1, long breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Lift head up, look towards toes, drop shoulders down, drop the head down, bend the knees, hugging knees to chest again, relaxing there. Relaxing there. You can gently move knees to right and left, to right and left. Good. Good. Let the breath be normal. And then you can roll up, sit back up comfortably. Good job. Okay, I hope we already have practiced Brahmari Pranayama before, but those who have not, just understand quickly. We close the ears tightly. Don't do it now. Just understand. Close the ears tightly, keeping 3 fingers on eyes, first fingers on head, spine long, pushing elbows back. Inhale there. With exhale, you do humming bee sound. This mouth is closed, exhaling out through the nostrils, but with that sound from the throat. Stretch this sound for as long as possible. Breathe in again. Same thing. Breathing in again. Same thing. 5 times you do. Keep the eyes closed. Turn around and then lie down on the back. Shavasana. Okay. Let's do it then. On your own, 5 times. Go ahead. Slowly then we turn around and lie down on the back. Slowly turning around, lying down on the back in Shavasana. Surrendering ourselves fully on the mat. Letting go of the tiredness, the uneasiness. Let the breath be normal, gentle. A sense of achievement, a sense of lightness after a good, intense practice. A sense of satisfaction, a sense of joy. And then you can slowly move fingers, you can slowly move toes, gently move head side to side. Give a nice long stretch in Tadasana. And then turn around, sit up, sit back on the mat. Sit comfortably. Joining the hands to the chest then. Completing with one Omkara, 3 Shantis. Breathing in. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Drop palms. Covering the eyes, covering the face. Open the eyes, look into the palms. Gentle smile on that face. Relax. Good job. Nicely done. Session 1, We have many more, and there will be a different practices throughout all these Yoga and Nature Season 2. I hope you enjoyed today's practice. Beginners, it's okay if it was challenging for you. All it takes is few more weeks, right? All you need to do is just be consistent. Now, moving to the challenge that I was talking about initially in the beginning while I was walking and coming back on the mat. So the challenge for today's class, or the asana for today's class, is Vajrasana, but we lift up Vajrasana for beginners. Push-ups in Vajrasana lift up position for regular practitioners. I'm gonna quickly demonstrate that, and then you can practice. I'll let you know what to do next. Just observe that first. We come to this Vajrasana position. I am keeping my palms down, pressing it down using the core strength, the shoulder strength, the thigh strength, lifting entire Vajrasana up this. Lifting higher. This is for beginners or intermediate practitioners to try. Since this is a challenge, it can't be that easy, right? Regular practitioners, after lifting, you try and do push-ups. Maybe 1, maybe 2, maybe 3, maybe 5, maybe 10, maybe 15, 20, 25, 30, right? Pressing that, lifting up, go down, up, go down, up, go down, up, go down, up. Try and do as much as possible. I'm here to only demonstrate, right? I'm here to only tell you the challenge. So we are keeping this much for today's class. This is Anil Kala, signing off from this absolutely amazing place, Coorg. I will see you in my next class. Till then, you take care, do the challenge, make a video of it, upload it on Instagram, Facebook. We have a beautiful community there called Stronger Together with Cult Fit Life. Thank you. Namaste ji.
For more such workout videos, download the Cultfit app now. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are Cult.